10 Best Ingredients from Vegetarian Cuisine. This video includes top 10 best vegetables of vegetarian cuisine. Number 10 Eggplant. Eggplants are high in fiber content, makes it a heart-healthy veggie with non-existent fat and calorie counts. Eggplants also have heart-healthy components potassium, which can help reduce strokes and dementia, and antioxidants that prevent damage to brain cells. Number 9 Beets. The nutrient that makes beets red help fight cancer and lowers the risk of heart disease, while beets folate helps metabolize amino acids. Beets are low in fat, high in fiber and high in carb that keep your body fueled, keep blood sugar level normal and your digestive system healthy. Beets also contain potassium, magnesium and manganese. Beet greens contain more nutrients than the root. Number 8 Alfalfa sprout. Alfalfa sprouts are full of plant-based proteins, and unlike the beans and peas, they don't need to be cooked. Brussels sprouts are bursting with antioxidants. Sprouts can help you feel fuller longer, and they boast nutrients like calcium, potassium, zinc and manganese, and vitamins A and K. Number 7 Carrots. Beta-carotene in carrots orange, and humans metabolize it into vitamin A, which in turn keeps eyes, skin and hair healthy. Carrots are extremely low in fat and protein. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which our body converts into vitamin A.
Carrots are a good source of several vitamins and minerals, especially biotin, potassium, and vitamins A, K1, and B6. Number 6 Leafy greens.
Carrots are extremely low in fat and protein. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which our body converts into vitamin A. Number 5 Bell pepper. Bell peppers come in various colors, such as red, yellow, and green, which are unripe. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C. Other vitamins and minerals in bell peppers include vitamin K1, vitamin E, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Number 4 Tomatoes. Despite botanically being a fruit, it is generally eaten and prepared like a vegetable. They are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K, usually red when mature. Tomatoes can also come in a variety of colors, including green, yellow, and red. Many species of tomatoes exist with different shapes and flavor. Number 3 Yam. Nutrient density with more fiber, protein and complex carb content, plus anti-cancer vitamins A and C, iron and calcium, beta-carotene, targets free radicals, vitamins and antioxidants to fight inflammation and heart disease, and potassium lowers blood pressure. Number 2 Garlic and 1 Onion. Leeks, chives, garlic, and onions are famous in herbal medicine. Onions and garlic antibiotic advantages increase immunity and fight inflammation, while garlic is used to treat coughs and colds. Also, balanced cholesterol levels help prevent hardened arteries, lower BP, and fight certain cancers and neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and that even.
Thanks for watching. Support my channel.